सस्टेनेबल यूज कैसे कर सकते हैं। यद्यपि इस दिशा में बहुत सारा प्रयास किया जा रहा है, लेकिन जब तक नॉलेज एक्सचेंज नहीं हो तो उसका ग्राउंड पे असर दिखता नहीं है। मैं आप सभी डिग्निटरीज को और जो इसमें स्पीकर्स हैं सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि आपके नॉलेज से सभी को फायदा होगा। मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो 2-3 दिन का वर्कशॉप है इसका वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो, ताकि हम इसको एक रिपोर्ट के तौर पे प्रस्तुत कर सकें। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं ईडू मेंटर्स के ऑफिसर्स और जो उनके समिति के लोग हैं, जिन्होंने एकेएस यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ मिल करके इस इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को बहुत जल्दी और बहुत तरीके से प्लान किया हुआ है। मेरी तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Yes, very good.
ओवर टू अर्पित सर।
Thank you so much, sir, for your warm words. Now, I would like to call the Vice Chancellor of AKS University, Professor P.A. Chopre, sir, for his presidential address.
Okay. Thank you very much. First of all, I welcome all the participants for the today's first international conference on research, innovation, and women empowerment in sustainable agriculture development. Honorable Anand Kumar Soni, engineer, chairman of AKS University Satna, I am the Pro Chancellor. My colleague Professor G.C. Mishra, Pro Vice Chancellor, IQAC and Accreditation. The organizer of this, convener of this conference, Professor Ashwini Wao, Mrs. Soni Gupta, Amity University, Dr. Monalisa Das, all the eminent, I think, present, all the eminent speakers present were here, and also the Dean, Professor Kamlesh Chore. I am Professor Akhilesh Wao, all the faculty of AKS University from Department of Biotechnology and Microbiology, and friends. At the outset, I'm very happy to note that our AKS University has organized this first international conference on research, innovation, and women empowerment in sustainable agriculture development. First of all, I congratulate Professor Ashwini Wao for selecting this very vibrant theme of sustainable agriculture development, which is most important agenda of United Nations, UN, Sustainable Development Goals, and goal number 13, 14, 15, and 16, also 17, are most relevant all over the world in this matter. When I saw this, I think this invitation, I could see the galaxy of people are invited from, I think, all over the country. And many, I think, are the eminent, I think, scholars. In the beginning, I must thank organizers from Edu-Mentors Society for Sustainable Agriculture and Rural Development. And I am grateful to them. They selected AKS University as a partner for organizing international conference. We know that Edu-Mentors stands for the India leading platform for the agriculture development, agriculture professionals, research scholars, students, and agriculture industry leaders, I think. Now, the theme of the conference, when I see topics, which I think I mentioned, for example, veterinary, generally basic sciences, all over the country, in universities and research institutes, this theme of veterinary and is not very much, I think, taken into consideration. We think that is not the frontier of science. I congratulate Ashwini Wao for selecting this such important theme, I think, which is most relevant for agriculture point of view country and government of India to the forestry and veterinary. About 3 days back, Niti Aayog has published a state of forestry in the country. and I'm very happy to mention to you, in 2026, Madhya Pradesh stand number 1 state in the country in the forest education, forest research, and forest conservation. And this matter of pride for the 20% of forestry in India is present in state of Madhya Pradesh. In case of veterinary also, I think, India is one of the leading country in the world in number of, I think, the veterinary animals in the country, both cow, buffalo, sheep, and many others, I think, and that is something, I think, something great revolution, I think, which India has made, I think, but I believe this revolution is very, very silent. For example, in the field of, I think, veterinary, you almost knowing that India's revolution of the white revolution took place in 80s. And I'm so happy to inform you, India's first country in the world in terms of the production of this, I think, the milk and the milk products and milk industry in general. And of course, all of you know that, I think, Amul is number 1 cooperative industry in the world. It is, I think, the multinational, and this matter of the pride that Amul has made revolution in also the veterinary industry, I think. Second important point which I realized was the integrated management of nutrient and weeds and diseases, I think, and pest management. Again, this theme, I think, is not commonly generally taken. In general, it's my observation that most of veterinary universities in India, which are around 165, I think, they do this kind of research work and conferences. But I believe that the